Have you ever wondered how does life exist? Today, we are going to take a look and learn.
The Earth's biosphere.
So, what is biosphere? Biosphere came from a Greek word bio, meaning life, sphaira, meaning sphere. Biosphere is where living organisms exist. The entire interconnected ecosystem of the Earth is defined by biosphere. Interesting fact, there is more water than land in the Earth biosphere.
Earth is unique because of its abundant supply of liquid water, strong magnetic field, and atmospheric composition. It also has the greatest density, fifth in mass and diameter. These are the reasons why life exists.
The biosphere is a relatively small layer of the Earth's surface that supports life and extends from a few kilometers into the atmosphere to deep-sea vents in the ocean. The biosphere is a worldwide ecosystem made up of living species and non-living components that provide them with energy and nutrition.
The biosphere also includes the relationships between all living things as well as their interactions in the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. The biosphere is made of three parts: the atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere.
Life involved because of the combination of these three components. These are life support of the Earth, where these components meet or interact and make life possible.
Trivia time! Did you know that the distance of the Earth to the Sun, the tilt of the Earth, and the seasons are important for the biosphere existence?
The depth of the biosphere is also difficult to pinpoint as there are fish known to be living as deep as 8,372 meters in the Puerto Rico Trench.
The creation of an artificial biosphere that is capable of mimicking the biosphere of Earth is referred to as terraforming.
There are things out of control that harm our biosphere. We must learn how to conserve planet Earth and sustain it. These are some things that we need to do.
First, ban harvesting larger marine species. All commercial harvesting of larger marine species, for example, cetaceans, sharks, giant clams, billfish, groupers, bluefin tuna, should be banned for several decades to allow species and population and fisheries to rebound and regain their ecological roles.
Banning international trade in wildlife. All international trade in vulnerable and threatened wildlife, large and small, terrestrial and aquatic, plant or animal, edible or inedible, must be immediately halted to stem the global hemorrhaging of wildlife, populations and biodiversity that is leaving us a very lonely and dysfunctional planet.
Remove dams. Healthy river must follow again, accomplished in large part by the worldwide removal of obsolete and purely considered dams and barrage coupled with the restoration or riparian wetland and headwater habitats.
Planting trees. Trees are important to living things. We must restore damaged ecosystems by planting trees on the land where forests have been cut down and establish parks to protect rainforests and wildlife.
We must preserve ways in which the biosphere acts as our life support system because in the end, we humans are the ones who will suffer.
The biosphere offers the environment what is required for survival. Biosphere is all life on Earth, including man and other organisms, both plants and animals. This makes us unique from the other planets in the solar system. Right now, scientists are hopeful that they will be able to create an artificial biosphere that can sustain life on a planet such as Mars. Our report has come to an end, and we hope that you have learned from this short video. Thank you for listening and see you next time.